So in this video, you'll learn how to change the ratio in CapCut PC. So changing the ratio just means adjusting the video to either portrait or landscape, or just having your own custom video ratio. And to do that, it's fairly simple. What you want to do is simply ensure that your video or your photo has been added onto the timeline and that it's been selected. Once it's been selected, you then want to come to this ratio option just underneath the preview project, and you want to click on it. Then from here, you can see different ratios available for you. So you have the preset ratios, which are listed right here. And then you also have the option of creating your own custom ratio. So let's start by using the presets. So you have 2:1, and this is how it looks like. You can even see the preview has been changed to suit how it would look like. Again, you can go back and choose a different option. So let's select 9:16. And you'll see it's changed to a 9:16. So now it's up to you to decide which of the presets you'll prefer to use. If you don't want to use any of these presets, then you can also come up with your own custom. So you can select custom, and then from here, you want to enter in your custom details. And you can also choose to save it as a preset, so that it means that if you ever want to use it again, you can just select it from the list of options. So you can give this preset a name, saying 7:15, for example, and then choose your aspect ratio. And then you can choose your resolution, adapted or custom, choose your frame rate, and all sorts of things. And then once you've done that, just click on save, and now it's set to custom. So whenever you select custom, that's how it would look like. So it's up to you now to decide which option you'd prefer to use. And then once you're done, you can just continue editing your project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.